USA or whatever. And yes, I can. And yes, I can say that word. Stop. This is the thing. I am so tired of getting in a fight with you damn fucking idiots.
What's going on, people? You catch me on Saturday, already out on the bike. I'm on the way to my phone shop, mate, for two reasons. The first and obvious one, to find out and get his first look and sound of this bad boy. Secondly, I brought a new phone, so I need him to add some protection to it before I start using it. Fucking twat. So let's get his first thoughts and reviews on it. Now I'm also testing this to see if you can hear me, or you can hear the exhaust, or you can hear nothing, purely for the fact that it's so loud. Do I need a new mic? Do I need to start screaming in the vlogs? This is an anticlimax. I'm sorry, but I'm not prepared to wait there. No way. Oh, and I've changed the angle of the GoPro, so I want to test that at the same time. To see what the view comes out like. Is it any good? Any worse? Come on. Want to get on the pavement? Right, well there's his view. Cut that off because that is way too loud. Oh, it's in gear. Right people, I'm off the bike. His first start up of the bike with the new exhaust. Make sure it's not in gear, bro. Hold on, let me see.
It goes off the stand.
Oh, it's in gear.
There's some
People, we put the bike in gear. This is gonna be his first start.
in gear, out of gear.
Nice. Sorry. We put the
Woo!
bike. We put the bike out of gear. It's in neutral. It's already started. Hold down the red button.
Oh shit.
Get it, rev. What do you reckon?
I'm scared to rev it.